What up, guys? Back with container number 5. Yeah, it's number 5. As always, if you're in Washington or anywhere near, interested in anything, hit me up. Email is in the bio. So, sorry, it's a little hot out. We got the boys, 100 shot. Got one left. Spread the Doom, 100 shot, one left. Let this at PGI. Banger right here. We got Gangster Paradise. A and B's. Got enough of those. No Way Out. Hitter right here. Let's see. Death Valley. Crazy salute hitter right here. Thunder Willow. 100 shot by 100 proof. Got some Power Slaves. Ice. 24K. Just pulled these out of our personal stash. Got some cereal cakes over there. Shocker. Salute cake. Tiger. Zombie Bride. 120 shot. Can't remember what that Tiger one is. But got Dancing Aliens back there. Got some M&M cakes. 100 shot. My 1%er. The wraps on these things. Insane. Big ass cakes. So we got Puppet Master, Looney Bin, Darkness, all 100 shot right there. God of Thunder, all salute. I think got one or maybe one more. No, I think that's the last web slinger left. Got some Bedrocks, Pyro Crybaby, All Howl Cake. This is like a mini Nosferatu, basically. It's Howl to Color and Howl to Salute breaks. We got some, let's see, Boxcar Billies, Superman Shells, Fire Force, Pyromaniacs, Bang Bang, my favorite ball shells right here. They hit so hard. Cracker Jacks, got some miscellaneous stuff right here. Master Gold, 24K, BTK, 88 shot, huge cake. Master July 4th hitter right here, 100 shot. Got Jokesters, 49 shot, Zombie Bride. This is the older Zombie Bride with this kind of wrap. See, smaller cakes. We got Carolina Coast, Super Fruits, Cockeyed. I don't think I'm gonna name all these off, guys. Just look. I like to look, so. Strobing soda cans. Mr. Moneybags, that's a really nice cake. Neon Sky. Salute Rockets right here. Loud. These are all salute. Let's see, what do we got here? 5-inch salute shell. Nice. Bro Luigi, Thug in the Suit. This one's very nice. Collar to salute. Hellraiser. Can't find these anymore. Nice cake. Wasted. 100 shot salute cake. Blood and Honey. BDH. Won't get those anymore. Got some goodies right here. Yes, sir. Just gotta put the sticks on these. Sinister Rockets. Howl to Salute. I love these things. light them all day. Let's see, we got Jesters, Gorgon, hitters right there, by 1%, Power Slave, Ice. Combine these together at the same time. Crazy. I'm back, 100 shots. Let's see, Insanity. We got Hell's Bells right there. OG Hell's Bells. Brass Knuckles. Combat Zone. Smoking Bandit. Smoke to Salute cake right there. Very nice for daytime. Sparkling Dragon. These are Crackling Tails to Salute. American Sniper, all salute cake, a hitter. These are all hitters right here. Also all salute. Back, we got Mega Willow Rockets, Voodoo Doll, Stairway to Heaven, Ninja Turtles, Angel of Death, Rowdy Dragon. Very, very nice cake. We just lit those. Full Metal Jackets, Salute Roman Candles. Got Pixel and Medusa. Neon Smoke, also Smoke to Salute cake. Skull Crusher, 1% MTK. Got some master cakes right there. Bombs Away, Superheroes, Happy Nugs. Got some OG big master cakes right there. Miami Vice, Tricks, Ghost Thunder. These are dark salutes, very nice. Yes, sir. 3-stage. Terp Slurpers, Ibita. Hella heavy hitter right there. Very, very nice cake. Smoking Aliens. This one's very unique. It's got like crackling smoke tails to salute. Big ass cake. Very, very nice. We got Mania. More Insanity. Some of those. Hysteria. Let's see. Liberation Day. 300 shot all salute. Goes for like 3 minutes. More Bedrocks. Pyro Crybaby, Smoking Aliens. Here's the Mania. CDA. We got 3-inch Super Rockets. I think we got some Border Busters back there too. Let's see. Kamala, You're Fired. 100 shot, No Way Out. 120 shot Pyro Brats. That's a beautiful cake right here. Kept selling out of them, so I loaded up again. Dragon Salute. Very, very nice. 72 shot. Jackal and Hyde. 2-inch to 36 shot. Hitter right here. Hey Kamala, You're Fired by 100 proof. Thunder Willow, 100 proof, 100 shot. Got some Master Babes. Mania right there. Got 2 Ghetto Blasters left. Heavy hitter. Love this cake. Diablo, 100 shot. Probably one of our last ones by FTS. Ineffable. Heavy cake right here, 100 shot. Got Merca. This is an all salute cake with some color mixed into it. Heavy, heavy hitter right here. We lit it a few months back. Love this cake. 2-inch 25 shot. Got 2-inch 36 shot, 1%. Thunder Willows. More Terp Slurpers. Merca. Tough Guy. Love this cake. Color cake. Very nice. Walnut Nellies. almost out of those. Got the Batman assortment. That's the only thing we got left right there. I think this is our last monster strobe. My cock bigger than yours, 2-inch all salute cake. Very, very loud. Who let the sexy hog out? Watch a demo on this, guys. You get 4 salute shots. Huge Garandola to salute report. And then we got Smoking Joe's. These are smoke to salute Garandola with smoke Garandola to salute report. And then 4 different colors: green, blue, red, and what is it, pink or purple, something like that. Anyways, got more God of Thunder. I'm back. 3-minute Master Never Ending show. Got a couple of Sub-Zeros left. Beautiful cake right here, Crackle and Blues. We got a couple of Astro Boy, Krampus, Mad as a March. Oh, there's more Monster Strobe right there. Mortar Madness, Sleeper. Huge breaks on that one. Got a Proline Cake, Mist Effects. Got Grills, Top Dog, and Bling. And Ninja Turtles, 100 shot assortments. So yeah, guys, as always, if you're in Washington, anywhere near, interested, hit me up.